In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Godaddy. To begin, you will work inside your website builder. This is where you can manage the content and appearance of your website, so it is the right place for uploading images or other file-based elements. Make sure you are signed in to your Godaddy account, and then open your website builder for the site where you want to add the file. Once you have your website opened in the website builder, look for an option that lets you make changes to your page. This is usually connected to the edit mode for your layout. You will click Edit to enter editing tools. Take a moment to notice that the page may look slightly different after you click Edit, because editing controls become visible and you can interact with elements on the page. After you click Edit, you will move to the area where you can add or change media. The instructions say to click on Image. In the interface, this may appear as a menu option, an Add Element button, or a specific tab related to images. The goal here is to tell the builder that you want to insert an image element or upload a new image to use in your design. Next, you will choose the option that allows you to upload your image. When you select Image, you should see an Upload button or an Upload field. Look for a button or control that clearly indicates uploading from your computer or selecting a file. Click Upload Image to start the process. At this point, a file selection window should appear on your screen. This is the standard place where you browse for files on your device. Find the image you want to upload, then select it. If your file is large, or if your computer is slow, allow a moment for the file to load. It is normal for there to be a brief delay while the system processes your file. After the upload completes, the image should appear in the Builder preview or be added to your page area. If it does not appear immediately, check that the upload finished successfully, and confirm that you selected the correct file before continuing. You may also need to click or place the image within the page design area, depending on how your specific website builder layout works. Now that the image is uploaded, you should review it to make sure it looks correct. Look at the preview and confirm that the image is the one you intended to add. If the builder allows you to click the image and adjust it, you can use the on-screen controls to position it and ensure it fits your layout as you expect. This step matters because uploading is only part of the process. You want the file to display properly on your site. Once you see the uploaded image in the right spot, you can continue with any additional edits you want to make. However, the key focus of this tutorial is the upload flow itself. Entering the website builder, clicking Edit, selecting Image, and using the Upload Image option to add your file. When you are finished, make sure your changes are saved within the website builder. Some builders automatically save, while others require a save or publish action. If you see a save button or update button, use it so your uploaded file remains on the site. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.